Good boy, Sam. Look at that. And look at that lake. So we finally arrived in France. Look at that, all 4K. Yeah, we are. We are. Yeah, my barbecue's all set up. Jesus Christ.
You could do stuff.
So I'm going to do these sausages. I just need to do these sausages.
I'll tell you what to do with your sausages. Boil them for 5 minutes.
So show them up your arse.
There we go. Look at this.
What do you do with your sausages? Oh my
Shove them
God.
up your. Oh, look at that.
Shove them up your arse.
I know what you're going to say. There you go. She's broken the ice.
There we go. Yeah.
Shove them up your fucking arse.
Hey, look at that. There we go.
I generally thought
Look at that. The
you know what you want to
Dennis
do with
family
your
in France.
sausages? I was
Shove
like,
them up.
oh my
Yeah.
gosh, she's getting up sausages up his arse.
Just 2 seconds then. Come back. Let me just show you this.
Honey, listen, Debbie, can you go out so I can have a wee?
Oh, yes, yes.
Look at that. Little setup. There's Sam. Look at that. Bloody doing these sausages no matter what. Look at the flame there. Oh. Awesome. There's Debbie. That little setup. Yeah. Put that little plank there. There's little angel. Little supporting angel.
Locked on.
There's our little mate.
Need some water.
Some water. There you go. So I'm just going to bloody do these sausages, babes. Awesome. So I'll turn that off for now because there we go.